We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to try to hold support here above 12 cents. Doing a full transition here from the rip area to the dip area. And it wasn't the only stock falling today. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 1:20 p.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see it popping up there within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight to hold support above 12 cents. We're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow and what's going on with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator at 1 p.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see it popping up there within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are at MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition here from the rip area to the dip area on 42 vision, from bright green bars to white with red borders. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. under a bear indicator at the 13 cent area and rejected in the middle of the volatility multiple times. And outflows continue below the midpoint, and a full transition from the rip area to the dip area has happened here on the 30-minute chart. Definitely something to not ignore here within the volatility of the charts. And if we zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we could see here as well how a full transition has happened from dark green bars to white with red borders, hitting another dip area after the recent 2 days when things dropped with that bear indicator from 14 cents down to 13 cents and down towards the 12 cent area, 12.50 area, a key support level. And now it's broken through today and it's trying to bounce back up towards it in the after hours, right? It hit lows here of 12 cents and it's trying to bounce back up here so far to highs of 12.50. It rejected off of it again, and currently in the live action post market, it's currently sitting at 12.39. So definitely something to not ignore there. That previous support is acting like resistance in the after hours and in the second half of the day. Now, what are the key levels I would watch? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and the first support level is 12 cents. And in the volatility of the 15-minute, these inflows need to pick up. They're really close to the midpoint and cross back over to start reflecting any strength into these charts and cancel out this bear indicator from up here at 1320 area on the 15-minute chart and go ahead and get a bull indicator in the process, roll that strength over into the 30-minute as well, and hold that support here above 12 cents. Now, if these outflows continue to the downside, the next support level I'll be watching is 10 cents, and then below that is the 8-cent area. To the upside, like I stated on the 15-minute, that bear indicator needs to get canceled, inflows need to pick up, try to roll over that strength here into the 30-minute chart, get these inflows towards the midpoint, continue to reflect that strength into these charts, cancel out this bear indicator, and get a bull indicator in the process. And the first resistance is 13 cents. Then above that is the 15-cent area. And then the next level of resistance I'll be watching is the 17-cent area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be critical and crucial, but I would not ignore the inflow versus outflow, as outflows are dominating on multiple time frames. And the 15-minute, yes, it's green, but it's below, but really close to the midpoint, and it needs to cross over to possibly reflect any strength into these charts and try to roll over that strength into the 30-minute as well to pull up these inflows towards the midpoint, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. So if you made it this far into the video and you are a swing trader or looking to gain an edge when it comes to swing trading, you're definitely going to want to check this out. And this is our new swing bot that will be fully released really soon. And so far it has sent 2 notifications in the last several days, right? The first one, as you see it popping up there, was Nvidia on Friday of last week at around $444. And the other one was Tesla yesterday in the pre-market, and from yesterday to today, and even yesterday alone, it ran up nearly $10 plus. Now, when it comes to the Nvidia one, you could see it popping up there on the screen. I shared the chart yesterday, and I also circled an area, as you see it there in the chart, how it kept on bouncing off that support and trying to hold above 444. And then I put a line across when that notification came in. And now you're seeing this other chart, which I shared today in the pre-market. And I stated, right, you could see the same line there. And I put the swing bot notification there at around the 444 area. It was already opening up from yesterday to today at 449. And I talked about in that purple area, the area that kept on acting like support. And there was a strong resistance in the pre-market and previous days at the 452 area, and the bulls would need to break through that for possible continuation. Not guaranteed, but it was important, and inflows needed to cross. Now, when you see it here in the next chart, going into the open, it was broken through, bull indicator popped up, and then inflows crossed over, and you could see the purple area that continued to act like support, and Nvidia calls were up nearly 100% plus with the swing notification bot since it was sent out, right? And you can see that blue line again where that notification was sent at that after hours on Friday. So this is our new swing bot. If you take a look at Tesla too, it sent it out at around the $256 area, and Tesla went to highs here of nearly $270 in the last 2 days, and it was sent out yesterday in the pre-market, right around this area, and the full move. So typically with these swing bots and the notifications that come in, they're there to add perspective. Nothing's guaranteed, but the goal is for it to add perspective. Take a look for possible support levels and bullish confirmations of a reversal, and from there it typically pans out within several days to weeks. But sometimes it can happen this fast within 1 or 2 days. And when it does, I typically tend to make a rational decision because maybe my goals and strategy and expectations have been met, right? I don't want to get too greedy either, but I wanted to share with you guys our new swing bot that's going to be notifying directly into our Discord on high probability opportunities based off specific criterias and dip areas of wire thread borders, as I call them, on multiple time frames and other criterias to confirm of the possibility of it looking like a possible support or area to not ignore for a possible swing of a reversal. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.